Alright, so today we're going to make an AI assistant for a pest control company. So if you're a marketing company, you want to do this, or if you're a home services company, you can do this as well. And you can make your own AI assistant to have the phone answered, have a chat bot work on your website, work in Facebook, WhatsApp, and yeah, all kinds of stuff. Anyways, here we go. So what we do, I tell this to everyone, just like you can change your own oil in your car, or you can go to the oil change place and get them to do it for you for practically the same price. You know, after you factor in the oil filter and the oil filter and the new oil and all that stuff. It's, pretty close in price. So yeah, you can do this yourself. You can go to Vappy or CloseBot or SynthFlow and then go to NAN to patch it all together. With all those subscriptions, it's going to cost you way less just to come here and get our AI assistant builder. Our developers have worked out all the bugs. We patched it all together for you. You don't have to do any workflows or webhooks or anything like that. We connect it and go high level. So if you get a free CRM with it. Anyways, we're going to create an AI assistant for Pest Control Company. So here we go. So we're just going to say four. So basically I'm telling the AI assistant what their main job is, and then it's going to write a prompt for us. Down here would be the website of the Pest Control Company, but right now it's our website, Local Service AI. I'll put that down in this description. You can check it out if you want. So I'm telling it, hey, you're Josh, our assistant for Bugs Northwest, a pest control company. And your job is to answer the phone, get people to book a time to see their pest problem, their bug problem for a job estimate. Because we're not going to try to sell them on the phone. You can do that if you want, but most home service companies want an opportunity to go see the client and talk to them in person. So here we go. So it's going to build the prompt, and then we can work it from there. All right, so built the prompt pretty quick, and we're going to go inside it, check it out. So before we do that, no, that's fine. So here's the prompt that the system wrote for us. The AI Assistant Builder, which you can get as well. It's only $97 a month for one AI assistant. Or if you want unlimited AI assistants for maybe yourself and your business, you can do unlimited for $297 a month. So we can tell it, hey, you're Josh, your fairly professional AI receptionist for Bugs Northwest, a pest control company. Your role is to answer the phone calls, understand customers' pest control problems, and efficiently schedule service appointments. All right. So we tell it you're supposed to be approachable and reassuring, make customers feel comfortable discussing their pest problems. So all this is, you can customize this, you can edit it. You can take stuff out or add stuff. The more you add, the less efficient it is. So you want to be concise, because the AI assistant already knows it's an AI assistant for a pest control company. So it's going to go out there and look at other pest control companies and find out what they do and kind of know the answers from them. Or you can add the knowledge base of the pest control company that you're working for. So here we go. So you're going to tell it, Answer calls professionally. Introduce yourself as Josh from Bugs Northwest Pest Control. Okay. And you're going to ask them what are they experiencing? Ants, roaches, rodents, etc. So we're trying to basically get an appointment to go see them to treat the pest problem. Okay. And the cool thing is we have calendars right here. If you do this with us, we give you a free Go High Level account. So Go High Level is a CRM, and you give you a calendar in there, and we can hook it up to the calendar. So we're going to select this calendar for now. We'll go ahead and sync calendar. All right, so that's done. And then the cool thing is, here's the knowledge base. We're going to go ahead and add the website. New data, URL. We're just going to say bugsnorthwest.com. And then what it's going to do is it's going to add all the knowledge points from the website so it knows all the answers. So what it does is it pulls all the information from there. Basically, knowledge points are vectors, and then, like I said, it knows all the answers people could ask about, ants, termites, rats, rodents, whatever. So while it's doing that, I will show you the rest of this. So we're going to go back. We're going to go back to the assistant. Bugs Northwest. I say, I put Bets Northwest. So here we go. Let's fix that. All right, Bugs Northwest. So we got call settings. The really cool thing is it has background noise, which is pretty cool. Coffee shop, I like that one the best, but it has convention hall, summer outdoor, mountain outdoor. Let's try that one. So we got tools, API, knowledge base, and team notes. And then chat. Like I said, you have chat and voice in here. So chat is good for texting, email, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, third-party apps, and live chat on your website. So the SMS and email would be through Go High Level. That's where that would get enabled. And we'll go and enable misspellings, 8%, and then go from there. All right, so we said it was Josh. Let's get a male voice here. So we have 45 voices, and the cool thing is they're all multilingual. That means they can speak English, Spanish, German, and 45 other languages that we have enabled right now. So if someone starts speaking Spanish and it started out as English, it'll speak back to them in Spanish, which is really cool. Spanish, German, Mexican, Russian, whatever. So let's try Billy here. Okay, we're going to save. And this is pretty quick. So less than 10 minutes, we got an AI assistant for Bugs Northwest. You could do this too. It's way faster and more efficient than patching it all together with all those other tools and workflows and webhooks and N8N and stuff like that. So if you want to do that, it's up to you. But this is just a builder that we have all that stuff together. You don't have to patch it all together with, like I said, webhooks and workflows and stuff. Anyways, here we go. Yeah, you don't sound like Josh. Hang on a second. So we're going to go back and try for some other male voice. Let's try. Let's try Max. All right, we're gonna try this again. Come on. There we go.
Good morning. This is Josh with Bugs Northwest Pest Control. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I got a bug problem in my house and it looks like maybe some rats.
Thanks for letting me know. I'll help you get this sorted out. Can you tell me a little more about the situation? Are you seeing the bugs and rats in specific areas of your house, or is it more widespread?
It's more widespread. I can hear the rats in the ceiling too. They scratch around in the walls and stuff, and then the bugs are everywhere. Lots of spiders and stuff.
Got it. It sounds like you're dealing with a pretty active situation. Rats in the ceiling and walls, plus spiders throughout the house. How long have you been noticing these issues? And is this a single-family home or a different type of property?
It's a single family home.
Thanks for clarifying. How long have you been noticing the rats and spiders around your home? And do you have any specific concerns like pets, kids, or allergies to chemicals that we should keep in mind?
Yeah, I'd like a natural remedy if possible.
You prefer natural remedies if possible, so we'll make a note of that for the technician. Now, let's get your appointment set up. Can I get your full name and the address where the service is needed?
So yeah, my name is Brian Rice. The address is 690 Soldier Creek.
Thanks, Brian. Just to confirm, your address is 690 Soldier Creek. Is that correct?
Yep.
Also, can I get the... Perfect, thanks. Can I also get the best phone number to reach you and an email address for the appointment confirmation?
Yeah, 702-659-7537.
Thanks, Brian. So your phone number is 702-659-7537. Do you have an email address you'd like to use for the appointment confirmation?
Yeah, you can do Brian@thebrianrice.com.
Got it. Your email is brian@brianrice.com. Let me check our availability for an appointment. One moment. Just checking back, Brian. Are you still available to schedule an appointment? Let me know, and I'll find a time that works for you.
Yeah, yeah. Do you got a time for tomorrow?
Let me check for tomorrow's availability. One moment. Brian, thanks for your patience. I'm checking our schedule for tomorrow. I'll have a couple of time options for you shortly. Hang tight.
All right. So as you can see, we got a nice male voice. He's speaking really well, and he didn't have to patch it all together. We got it done in like less than 15 minutes now. And we're using ChatGPT 4, but we have other options available. We got Claude, we got Gemini, stuff like that. Let's see what else. So yeah, there's Bugs Northwest, AI assistant for pest control. Hey, if you want to learn how to do this yourself, you can click on our SKOOL community. Link is in the description, or you can book a call with me and I will show you how to do it, or you can get us to do it for you and go from there. See you in the next video.